A biscuit-making machine is a piece of equipment designed for the automated production of biscuits or cookies. These machines are widely used in commercial bakeries and food production facilities to streamline the biscuit manufacturing process and increase efficiency. It's important to note that the specific features and components of a biscuit-making machine can vary based on the manufacturer and the model. Additionally, the capacity of these machines can range from small-scale units suitable for artisanal bakeries to large-scale industrial machines for mass production. New Dawood Engineering. Manufacturers and exporters of all types of industrial soft and hard cracker, electric gas-fired direct traveling ovens for biscuit, rusk baking plant, rotary molder, dough mixer, cream sandwich and hard cracker machine.